Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. I forgot to do an intro for today's video, so here we are now, but enjoy the footy of some epic wheel skis at the lot. Let's get it. Huh? Yeah, let's do it, let's do it. He knows the vibe. Yes, sir. We going in, boy. Woo! Sir, coming in hot. When are you gonna let me ride that? Got it. Right now? Yeah. Alright, bet. Bro, yeah, the 150s, they're so fun. It's like a little cheat code bike. Yeah. Homie let me take his 150 out real quick. Yes, sir! Hey, it feels good. Feels good. What year? Oh, it's a 21? Damn. Hey, no wonder it feels good. I want you to scrape. That helmet look good. So crazy, bro. Let's go, we're out here. Little sport bike in here. There it is. Yes, sir. Let's go. Whipping out the two-stroke. What's good, bro?
What's up?
How you guys doing? Is that 125 or 250? 250. Little hot block! Little hot block! Yes, sir. Woo! Yes, sir. Bring that boy up, bro, with that Suzuki. Oh. I might as well bring it. Why are you riding? Why are you riding? Your bike not work or? Yeah. It works? No brake?
No brake.
Why you got no brake?
It get broke.
Is it out of fluid or?
No. I think the line.
Cracked or something?
Yeah. He got hot. He got the helmet.
Yeah, definitely. You need a helmet with no rear brake. There. Flying fast, bro. Yeah, we got the old school three-wheeler, bro. That old school. Is there? You want to ride it? Yeah. Don't wheel it.
I got
I guess today's test ride Lars's 2-stroke. You like it or?
It's an
Oh, this is a 06.
Oh man, it's an 85,
125.
125.
So gang, it's starting to rain, which is so unfortunate, but this is Florida, man. This is what we got to deal with out here in Florida. Is it raining literally 24/7. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, man. Huh?
I thought you was gonna take it around the park.
I probably should have, but I always film, like, I always try to film near the end of the day. I'm always so tired. I'm like, I should have filmed earlier.
Right.
My wrist is like...
Hey, but then you try to film early, you just ain't warmed up.
Yeah, you're not in the mood yet, and then like... So gang, I'm just gonna talk real quick about my YZ. I've had it for about almost a year now, dude, to be honest. It's getting close to a year, which is pretty crazy because time has flown by. But I bought it, I think, in November, so it's coming up to a year. I haven't touched it at all, bro. It's literally the same bike I bought it. I haven't touched the motor. Only thing I do is transmission fluid every 4 rides or so, maybe 3 or 4 rides, and a spark plug every, I don't know, maybe like 10 rides. I'm telling you guys this because when I bought my YZ, I thought it was going to be so much maintenance. I thought it was going to blow up like every freaking 4 months. But no, bro, these bikes are pretty strong, dude. If you just maintain the transmission oil, spark plug, and, you know, mix the gas well, 4 ounces of oil per gallon, that's what I use. But yeah, let's head back to the freaking lot. Why am I talking over here? I know y'all want to see some shredding. Little battle going on. I'm gonna go for a little knee knock. Alright. Oh, what a knee knock. Just that. Yo, I don't know what I just did, but my finger feels so weird. Alrighty gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video at the freaking lot. It was a vibe out here today. Luckily it didn't rain. Let's go. And yeah, stay motivated with merch down in the description. I freaking love you. Until next time, peace.